Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make these really awesome, super easy sketchbooks. They don't require a lot of special materials, so you can really make these at home. I do these with my 4th, 5th, and 6th grade students, and what's nice is they have these cool little rings, so you can add paper into them all year. And I have students who by the end of the school year leave with these really thick sketchbooks full of awesome notes and drawings, and they're just really great. My students also really enjoy decorating them, just adding cool designs. So the sketchbook itself kind of becomes an awesome work of art. All right, let's get started. All right, the supplies you're gonna need are 2 pieces of cardboard, your paper, glue, scissors, a pencil, your rings, and some paper to put inside your sketchbook. So the first thing you're gonna do is take your large piece of construction paper and you wanna cut it in half. So if you wanna make a fold down the middle to make cutting it in half easier, you can do that. Go ahead and cut that in half. Then you're going to take your first piece of cardboard and trace it in the middle of your construction paper so you can see where the glue is going to go. Go ahead and fill up that whole space with glue. You want to have a thin amount of glue that covers this whole area. Spread it out with your finger so that you don't have any puddles, and it's okay if your glue spreads past the outline of your cardboard just a little bit. Then you're going to place your cardboard right in the middle of that glue. Use the side of your hand to smooth it down really good. Don't use your gluey finger to smooth it out. And make sure you just get all the wrinkles out so that your cover lays nice and flat. Once you've done that, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to trim off each of the corners. So you're just going to trim a diagonal that goes right up against the corner of that cardboard. Each one of those tabs is going to fold around your cardboard to create your smooth edges. So you just want to take your glue and spread a thin amount on each tab, just like we did on your construction paper. Then you're going to take that tab and fold it over and make sure that your fold's right up against the side of your cardboard, and smooth that tab down as flat as you can to create a crisp, clean edge on the side of your sketchbook. Repeat this for all 4 of your tabs. Go ahead and give your cardboard one more little smooth out just to make sure it's really nice and flat. Next, you're just going to repeat these steps on your second piece of cardboard. So just to review, you're going to trace your cardboard in the middle of your construction paper, spread a thin layer of glue inside that rectangle, get it all smoothed out with your finger so that there are no puddles or dry areas. Place your cardboard in the middle of that glue and get it smoothed down as flat as you possibly can. Trim your corners off all the way around. Spread glue with your finger on each tab around your cardboard and fold that tab over so that it's right up against the edge of your cardboard and completely flat. Repeat this all the way around. All right, now that you have your 2 covers, we want to do the insides. So you're going to grab that second piece of construction paper, which will do the inside of both covers. You're going to trace your rectangle, but this time just slide your rectangle to the corner, because then you only have to trace 2 sides. And you can go ahead and just do this for both pieces rather than having to cut this piece of construction paper in half. Now, when you cut out your rectangle, instead of cutting right on the line, slide your scissors over about 1/2 inch and cut just inside that line, because you want your rectangle to be just smaller than your cover. You don't want your paper to stick out past the edges, so you can see how that gives it a nice little border all the way around. And just like before, we're going to spread our glue on our whole rectangle. You want a nice thin layer, and you're going to spread it out with your finger, making sure to get the glue all the way to all the edges and filling in all of your paper. Once your paper is covered with glue, you're just going to go ahead and lay it on the inside of your cover. So you want to put it right in the center so you have a little tiny edge all the way around where you can see the front cover come around the sides. If you have any corners that stick up, instead of squirting glue underneath them, just put a little bit of glue on your finger and you can wipe it underneath that paper. Go ahead and repeat this step for your second cover. Alright, now that you have both covers, it's time to put your sketchbook together. So I have this 2-hole hole punch and it's set at 6 inches. And then to get the cover in, I kind of press that cardboard down really good before I slide it underneath. Then you can see you can just punch the holes really easily. I do this myself for each student's sketchbook just to make it a little quicker. So your 2 holes should line up. You're going to need 2 of these metal rings and a stack of sketchbook paper that's 6 inches by 9 inches. I find it's easiest to just put the cover onto one ring, then kind of feed your paper onto that same ring. And I just do a chunk of a few pieces at a time rather than trying to do all the paper at once. And then just do the other cover and clip it together. And that first ring will hold your cover together nicely and it'll be easier to put the second ring through. That's basically it. Now you have a beautiful sketchbook and you can add more paper anytime you want. That's it. Pretty easy, huh? So I hope you enjoyed learning how to make one of these awesome sketchbooks. I hope you're able to make one yourself and fill it up with amazing works of art. Thanks for watching.